Probably the most important thing we found was that we really had to educate senior management on what good performance looked like in the leasing space. We found that a lot of senior leaders didn't know the difference between a good leasing program and a great leasing program. And leasing can be a real strategic weapon in the CFO's arsenal of tools, but it has to be applied properly. So one of the things that we did was we built a research center to study best practices and innovation in the leasing space. And we started doing simple things like just benchmarking financial metrics in different industries. Who leases the most? We started with the Fortune 500 in the US, then we moved to the UK and did the FTSE 100, and then we moved to Australia, to the ASX 100, and on to Germany and France and all the other countries in the world. We also developed KPIs and metrics that companies could use to benchmark their own performance inside their organization. And that was important because they need to be able to identify where the root causes of waste and inefficiency were. So take a simple KPI like if you lease equipment. How much of that equipment do you return by the end of the lease? Now you might think, well, that's a silly metric. Surely everybody returns 100% or close to, but at most big companies it's nowhere near that. And if you can start to compare which geographies, which business units are the biggest offenders, you can quickly start to attack the root cause of the errors. And that's really what we're focused on here at LeaseAccelerator.